together with you.
This is cute for Dollar Tree. What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up, ladies and fellas in the back? I see y'all. Neek here, and I'm back with another video. And in this video, y'all, as y'all can already tell, it's something different going on. Y'all sis had to get surgery on her finger to get a cyst out of it. I don't know if you guys have been seeing in the previous vlogs, my finger has had a huge ugly bump on it, so I had to get that surgically removed. And that's honestly why I haven't been hitting y'all up with a video. But now I'm back on the cam because I missed y'all and I wanted to update y'all, because today we are going to be going to Christmas shop for the Christmas tree. In this video, I want to take y'all along with me to go get the Christmas decor from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be hitting y'all up with the home update video too, so stay tuned for that. I'll get more into depth about the closing date and all of that. But now I'm just running my mouth, so let's go ahead and get in the car and go ahead and go to Dollar Tree, y'all.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and all.
Alright y'all, so we are now at Dollar Tree, so let's go inside and see what all they have as far as decor for the tree. Let's go ahead and get this stuff, girl. Hopefully everybody named mama not in here, for real, for real. So yeah, we're about to go see now. Hopefully they don't have everything taken, but we'll see when we get in there.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So hang your stockings and say your prayers, cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He's got a bag that's filled with toys for boys and girls again. Hear those sleigh bells jingle, jangle, oh what a beautiful sight. So jump in bed and cover your head, cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
Alright y'all, so we are pretty much done in here. Let's get out of this store before I start buying some more stuff that I don't need. But we have everything we need for the tree, so let's get out of this Dollar Tree, y'all. Alright y'all, so we have made it back home from Dollar Tree, and now I'm going to show you all the stuff that I got from Dollar Tree that I feel like is budget friendly, you know, because it's $1, duh. Let me just get into it, girl. What am I talking about? I'm just running my mouth, and let me just show y'all. If you have a Dollar Tree near you, girl, I know you probably do, run and go get this stuff ASAP. But these 2 wine glasses, I am going to put these little ornaments in there that I got from Dollar Tree for 9 pieces. They have red and gold, and they also have green. This red decorative tray that I got from Dollar Tree, this was so super cute. You could use this for a lot of different centerpieces that I may do a couple of videos on some centerpieces for Christmas. I don't know yet. We'll see how this one does, and if you guys like this video, I'll know to do another one. Okay, so our next thing that we got from Dollar Tree is this cute, I'm thinking it's to put outside on the door, but honestly I'm gonna just put this on the tree because I'm going for a minimalistic vibe, but I still want to have some bigger fillers to make it look a little bit more full. I also got these cute little chocolate spoons where you can just, you know, make your hot chocolate with, and you just use it to stir it around, and basically, yeah, you just make hot chocolate. And I thought this was super cute. They melt and they'll add more chocolate to your drink. Love those for Christmas. Another thing that I got was this little Merry Christmas bin. I thought this was super cute. We can do a DIY with this maybe later on in the week, but for right now, I'm going to just use this for putting my remotes in, you know, just so they're not just sitting out. So I thought this was really cute to use to put your remotes in, or just put anything in your house in that you don't want to be shown, but you still want it to be like a cute decorative for Christmas. Other thing that I got from Dollar Tree, which I thought was so cute. I may even put this on that red tray, but they had these cute little trees here. They had them in, I think, gold and silver. They're so cute. I mean, come on, get into it. Dollar Tree. Come on, this is Dollar Tree. This is cute for Dollar Tree. Let me stop moving if I break it. So the next couple of things that I got is these cute little ornaments. Cute little pearl looking things inside of it that I just was sold right there. So cute. For $1 at Dollar Tree. Girl, let me get my ugly face out of there so you can really see it. Look how cute it is. And this one was super cute. Had a little red in it and it says peace. Thought that was really cute. Got these 2 red candles. I thought they were so cute. They always have these at Dollar Tree. They are the cinnamon scent. I just thought we're gonna use these for our centerpiece. So another thing, couple of things that I got from Dollar Tree was I got these last year actually. They didn't have these exact ones this year, but I'm going to use these on top of using the other ones that I got today. But these are really cute. They have them in silver and gold. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs of these. Our first centerpiece, we are going to use, like I said, the wine glass and the jingle bell ornaments in this red tray. Take the paper off of the candles so we can just already have those ready. Now I'm just gonna try to take the paper off. I hate when Dollar Tree put the paper on the dang on wine glasses. So irritating. Have this one that already has the bulbs in it. We're going to turn it upside down. But yeah, those are upside down, and then we're going to put some inside of here. I'm going to continue to put them inside of this centerpiece. Like I said, you can mix and match the gold and the red. It's up to you. So now we're going to take this, spread them apart like so. Boom, candle up there, and then we'll have a candle here. And that'll be one cute little centerpiece like that. Or you can throw this little centerpiece, this little thing that we got from Dollar Tree. You can throw that in there instead of the candle. It's up to you. Just play with it, you know, see how you would like it. But honestly, I'm going to keep mine like this with the candle for now. And then we'll have it like that, which is super cute. All right, we got our first centerpiece done. Now let's move on to decorating the tree with the Dollar Tree bulbs and decor that we have. I'm burning up in this sweater. I don't know if y'all can tell, but this is very much a lot for me. I'm hot in this sweater. So if you're watching this video and y'all feeling the Christmas vibe, the Christmas love, all of that, give me a thumbs up, hit that like button and subscribe. I'm asking for too much? All right. Let's go ahead and start decorating the tree. Okay guys, so we got this tree last year at, I think Home Depot it was, like $150. It is, I think, 8 feet tall. It's really tall. It's not that full though, but it does the job for a townhouse. We will be changing our tree, of course, when we move into the house. And next month, well, the end of December. And yeah, so we're just gonna get one more use out of this tree. Well, we'll probably use it again for a smaller, whatever, I'm running my mouth. Yeah, I just want to start off and show you how it looks in the beginning. Go ahead and start putting our lights on the tree. I got these lights, well, my husband got these lights at Myers for only, I think, $5 or maybe even $3. I'm gonna ask him, but I'll have them linked down below. So let's go ahead and put them on the tree. Okay, so Houston, we have a problem. We need some more lights. Well, I don't know what we was thinking, but yeah, I'm still gonna put the tree together and then we'll fill in the tree with the rest of the lights later on this week. Okay?
All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names.
Put that boy, just slide it on there, child. Put it like this. So right now we're gonna just put our gold and silver ornaments on the tree. All right guys, so this is what we got for the tree. It looks kind of naked, you know, but it's all good. It's gonna last us through this Christmas this year. Now next year, or maybe even this year, because they say we're supposed to be closing the end of December, we'll be putting together another tree. But for now, this is our little baby. Yep, only $20, and I didn't even use all of the ornaments. I guess I'll give you guys the rest of the tour of the living room. Nothing else major though, but we have these little scones that we put you know, candles on when we light whenever we want. Pillows that I got from I think Home Goods or something like that. Also have another one of the pillows with the fur on them with a brown little throw. We have our little Merry Christmas remote box. We may make another DIY out of that pretty soon. But yeah, this is pretty much living room, guys. Came together. We have our cowhide rug. I'll leave that link down below as well if you are interested. I also have an ottoman that I got from Marshall's or TJ Maxx a couple of years back. And we have our poinsettia from Kroger's or Myers. They're cute. Goes well with the ottoman and the cowhide rug. I wanted to keep that poinsettia for now for the simple fact that it is still November. But this centerpiece came out really cute with the jingle bells and the candles. I also got these 2 trees at Dollar Tree as well. I got this little fireplace from Big Lots. Excuse the chorus and stuff, y'all. We moving, okay? Don't judge me now. Yep, that pretty much wraps up this living room Christmas decor decorate with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you liked it. If you do like it, give it a thumbs up. And I'll be giving you guys another Christmas DIY video. Also, stay tuned for the home update video that I'll be putting out pretty soon. So thank y'all so much for hanging with me. You know I appreciate it, boo. So I'm gonna see you in the next home update vlog. Bye. Mwah.